In addition to using smart rotations and taking that a step to smart rotation guides, you also have smart percentages for spacing purposes. So I'm going to go to File and Open. In Chapter 3, Folder 15. And what I've got is different spacing on these boxes. Like these two are really close, these are a little further apart, these are really far apart. And I don't have that consistency to it. So what I'm going to do is kind of push these off to the side. I want the same amount of space between all my boxes. So I'm going to move this right about here. Okay, I'm not even sure what that distance is. But now when I take a third box and I move it closer and closer right there, down below I see two horizontal green arrows. Those are telling me these are exactly the same distances apart right there. I let go of the mouse. Now I'll take this. It's going to measure this corner right there. Those are exactly the same distance apart. Okay, so that's a nice way to do it if you're not using step and repeat, if you only have a couple objects and you just want to kind of move them around. If I move this a little closer, then I pull this, now the spacing will match. Let's get that. Oh, it's because of that text frame. Let's get that out of the way. There we go. Now those are the same distance. Now all of them are the same distance. And we can have that consistent gap measurement right in there called smart percentages. That's it.